Hello, and welcome to another update video about TRB. TRB is moving up probably in an ending diagonal in wave 5 of C of wave B. In this wave 5, we should get 5 waves. So the idea is that possibly a wave 1 was already complete. A wave 2 might be complete. This could be a wave 3. This could be a wave 4, which again might still be unfolding. And let's say we are in a 4, and then we get one more high in a 5. This could actually turn into more like an expanding diagonal, because the wave 3 is longer than 1. I don't like these patterns, but it is still a possible scenario, okay? But either way, it's not so important. Important is to understand, okay, when does this trend break? There are a few scenarios here we need to understand. So first of all, if we are already in wave 5, yeah, which is currently the base case, that's the assumption. So in this wave 5 here, then yeah, the assumption has to be that wave 1 already finished, wave 2, this was 3. So, and how does the wave 4 unfold? There's a potential that wave 4 already finished, which is here. That's not my primary scenario. I think in the last video, or it was the last signal that I gave to gold members, I said, I find it more likely that wave 4 is still unfolding. But again, it's very, very balanced. The main point is that against the $40.90 level, we can focus on higher. This is the 61.8 retracement level. Now, ideally, I don't want it to break out of this price channel, to be honest. So it doesn't mean it needs to come down all that much, but ideally it doesn't break below it. So that means that I would assume that we can get higher or go higher in a fifth wave as long as this $40.90 level is holding. Now, it could be that we only bounce off the 50% FIB level, which is fine. Yeah, just a lower trend line and then move. We don't even need to come down that much anyway. You know, we could just take off from here. So the key is just to understand, not so much to understand, okay, do we go down and then go up, or do we go up straight away? Very simple. Against these support levels, we focus on higher. And this fifth wave can happen as long as we're holding $40.91. Below that level, I cannot defend anymore that this is a wave 4. Okay, so that I would then have to assume that something different is playing out. So don't try to focus too much on the micro. There are a few microstructures how this could play out, but this is more like for the academic side, right? It's not so much useful for trading. This could unfold as a triangle and then move up more directly. The wave 4 might have finished already, and we are already in wave 5 in an A, B, C structure. That's not so important. Important are two things. What is support? To be able to move higher, and that's between $40.91 and $44.92, so roughly between $41 and $45. And as long as these levels are holding, the focus can be on higher. And a breakout point to the upside is here, the $60.60 level. So as soon as that level breaks, I think this wave 5 is in the making. At the moment, we are a little bit in a consolidation holding pattern, and similar to what we did here, yeah, very similar. So we are just waiting for the market's decision. I think the trend is up, and important is to understand, okay, what is the support level? And if that breaks, what would then be our next support, or what would be the scenario? Well, in an alternative scenario here, the larger degree fourth wave was never finished. Okay, so in that scenario, this orange support level will become relevant again. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here at $21.45. So it's just a different way of counting it, where I'm saying that this move down, it was a 3-wave move, right? This move down between the 15th of September high and the 18th of September low. So that we had only an A wave down in 3 waves. The move up is a 3-wave move, so it could just be a high B wave, A, B, and then now a C wave to the downside is coming. But what's happening here doesn't really support that. Therefore, this is only an alternative wave count, but I would have to assume it. If we break below $40.91, then we would get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finish off wave C of 4, and then can go up in wave 5. Okay, so these are the two main scenarios. I would first of all focus on higher directly, but I have no clear evidence that wave 5 has already started, right? But as long as this support box is holding, the focus can be on higher, but please be aware, it's only like one more wave up. Now, okay, looking at the volatility and the extensions here, it's certainly possible that price could go all the way up to $84 in an extreme case, right? So it's quite a bit, but let's be honest, percentage-wise, most of this move is already done because we're getting into the late stages of a B wave. That's the assumption. Yeah, and I think that's everything we need to talk about here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, links in the video description. And if you're interested in the membership, today at 5 p.m. UTC, we're running our member live stream. Also, as a member, you get access to Discord and Telegram chat rooms, lots of educational content. And as a gold member, you get access to additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.